This is the outside of the house. It has 3 stories, 3 bedrooms. This is a house for sale in Houston 77023. This is close to University of Houston. This one has 3 stories, 3 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. We are on the 2nd floor. So this is the guest bathroom next to the kitchen. The layout is different. Kitchen is on the 2nd floor. This is the 1st floor. That's the front door. So when you come in, you have a small area here, and the garage is down here. So this is a 3 bedrooms, 3 stories, new construction in Houston 77023. We're gonna go upstairs to the 3rd floor where you have 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. For the price and the location of all the houses in Houston 77023, you can click on the description. I'm gonna put a link so you can see the list of all the houses. Washer and dryer is on the 3rd floor. Here you have a full bathroom. It's for this bedroom. Bedroom has carpet. This is the primary bedroom on the 3rd floor. You have high ceilings, 2 sinks. Check out this shower with a tap and a small closet. For the price and the location, click on the link below or send me a message.